Hi, my name is Barbara Wainwright. I'm the founder of Wainwright Global Institute of Professional Coaching, and I'm here with a few life coaching tips for emotional and mental wellness. As a life coach, you can help your clients to experience emotional and mental wellness by encouraging them to create and maintain a healthy daily routine. Besides a consistent daily routine, you may want to encourage your client to try something new. Here are a few suggestions. One, they could reach out and be a friend to someone in need. Two, make scheduling fun time with family and friends a priority. Number three, you can encourage your client to set short-term goals so they feel accomplished and receive that positive feedback and acknowledgement for their achievement. Ask your client if they would be interested in taking up a mindfulness practice, such as yoga, meditation, or structured breathing. I trust these life coaching tips for emotional and mental wellness will help your clients to elevate their mood, become more resilient, and simply enjoy life more. My name is Barbara Wainwright. Check us out at wainwrightglobal.com.